Okay, hello YouTube, this is going to be a video review of a new type of field points I got. These are the Easton 2216 arrows. You can see or not. Well, except in the middle for Easton 2216 arrows. Camo hunters. What I want to look at is the back. Target. These are new field points I got. Well, one's got stuff still on it from the Target. These are fat bullet tips field points. If you can see it or not, they're kind of fat in the middle and round on the end. These are the 125 SOPGER brand field points. You can see they have a bullet tip like maybe bigger than a 9mm, maybe 45 caliber type ammo. If you were to compare it to a real bullet. They have a red ring on them. They fit into normal arrow shafts. I used 6 of them. I got them all pretty much in the middle. These foam targets falling apart already. All of them in the middle. One's way longer in there. They're all straight on. Most of them, the target moves it. Makes them move. And we move the target up to the table. I'm showing you the back though. They went in pretty good. Deep penetration. Well, almost tripped on the target arrow holder thing. What the difference is between these and a regular bullet tip field point. This is a kind of rounder one with a point on it. I got that. Found it. This is the Fat Boy field point tip right here in 125. This is a 100 grain. Generic non-name brand one. I found it at one of the archery ranges in the Targets. What I'm comparing is fat body one right here, 125. You can see they're in there pretty good. I'm gonna pull them out now. Here's the brand name SOPGER 12 pack. 125 grain. These are the only field points they make actually. They make a 100 and a 125. So what you get is 12 of them in a plastic bag. They're in there pretty deep. I'm gonna try pulling them out with the arrow puller and holding the phone in my hand. I'll show you how deep they're in there. Of course, I gotta do this again where I hold the phone up in the air. They're in there pretty deep. That's at least more than 8 inches in the arrow. It's almost a foot long. That's more than a foot. I wear size 11 shoes. That's in there a foot. The whole target is way not as wide as that. These aluminum arrows are cold right now. I'm wearing gloves on my other hand. I took my other one off so I could push the buttons on the phone screen. Pulling them out from the slippery. Pulling them out from the middle of the arrow. Target. Trying to knock my phone out of my hand. This one's in there a little bit shorter than a foot. Still coming out the end of the target pretty good. I only shot 6, so I only have 6 of the 226 arrows. Or 216. 216. It's cold out here, I can't pull the arrows out. My helicopters are coming. This one's in there a little bit less than a foot. Still in there pretty deep though. An inch arrow coming out almost the back. Pull out these other ones. This one's coming out a little bit easier. This one's in there maybe a whole foot. Let's see, showing you can see here. This one's in there a little bit over an inch, half out of the back. Most of these field points like this, I buy field points that are less than $10 each for 12 of them. So every single one that I bought so far is under the $10 range total. Maybe with tax, it comes out to me a little bit 10 something almost total. I buy field points on Amazon just for fun to see what they do. There's another good one that went in way deeper. That one's in there 3 inches deeper than the other one. That must be the best one I hit. And the arrows are cold because they're metal. My fingers are cold on them each time I grab one. This one was the one that was dead center pretty much. I re-spray painted this target, make it more red so I could see what I'm doing better. Get the target right in the middle every time. Got that one out of there. That field point looks pretty badass. This one went in almost 2.5 inches deep. Almost dropped it out of the thing. Okay. When you look for field points on Amazon, you'll see tons of weird brand name ones. They're like Chinese names. Most of these are Chinese brand arrows, field points. Some of them are better quality than others. I don't really want to buy the spear point ones that are super long and sharp. This is just a generic one that's a little bit pointier than the other one.